Soldering just got better. With innovative designs and advanced temperature control, 2025 brings us some of the best soldering stations yet. Whether you're repairing electronics or working on intricate projects, check out our top 5 picks for the best soldering stations this year. 5 Best Soldering Stations. At number 5. JCD 2-in-1 750W Soldering Station. This 2-in-1 rework soldering station features a hot air heater, 750W max, and a soldering iron, 80W max, both designed for precision and efficiency. With dual LCD digital displays, it provides accurate temperature control, ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius for both tools. The intelligent self-detection system ensures safe operation, while the automatic cooling function extends the heater's lifespan and protects the hot air gun. Designed with ESD-safe soldering iron and ceramic heater technology, it offers low noise, a space-saving design, and stable performance, making it ideal for professionals and electronics repair enthusiasts. At number 4. New Bakon Soldering and Rework Station. The 2-in-1 soldering station combines a hot air gun, 550W max, and a soldering iron, 90W max, in a compact design, saving workspace while allowing independent operation of each function. Featuring a large HD LCD screen and visual operation panel, it offers adjustable air volume and temperature for precise control, making it ideal for handling QFP, SOP, PLCC, and SOJ components. With high heating efficiency, fast heat-up times, and stable temperature control, it ensures professional performance. Safety features include ESD protection, an auto-cool function to prevent overheating, and heating element protection, extending the machine's lifespan. Perfect for delicate soldering and rework tasks, this station is a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists. At number 3. AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus 120W soldering station offers universal compatibility with AC 110V/220V and a wide temperature range of 100 to 450 degrees Celsius, 212 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for precision soldering. Designed for 210, 115, 245, and 470 tips, it features a large screen display with 4-segment storage, allowing for easy temperature adjustments and machine control directly from the handle. With rapid temperature recovery, an adjustable sleeping bracket, and an exclusive anti-splash cleaner, this station ensures efficiency and cleanliness during use. The quick plug-in heating element and comfortable silicone buttons enhance usability, making it a great choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. At number 2. AIFEN A902 Soldering Station. The 350W high-power dual-station soldering station is designed for precision and efficiency, supporting C115, C210, C245, and C470 heating elements, making it ideal for large solder joints. Featuring adjustable temperature control, 100 to 450 degrees Celsius, with rapid and accurate heating, it ensures consistent performance. The automatic sleep function saves energy by entering sleep mode when placed on the stand and reheating instantly when lifted. Temperature compensation maintains a stable tip temperature during soldering, while mechanical short-circuit protection ensures safety by stopping operation in case of faults. Additional features include adjustable dual brackets, temperature calibration, key lock, and multi-stage cleaning options, making this station a reliable choice for professional and DIY soldering tasks. At number 1. SUGON 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The SUGON T3602 soldering station is a high-performance, lead-free solution designed for precision and efficiency. With a 240W power consumption, it heats up rapidly, reaching temperatures between 200 degrees Celsius and 450 degrees Celsius, 212 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, with plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius stability, ensuring accurate soldering every time. The LCD digital display provides clear temperature readings, while its dual-station design allows for simultaneous soldering and reworking. Featuring a comprehensive accessory kit with multiple tips, this station is ideal for both professionals and hobbyists looking for reliability and versatility in their soldering tasks.